Morning. I hope you're all really well this morning. So today I'm not going to waffle on too much this morning. I've already done my food prep, so I'm ready to get started. But today we are going to be doing the lentil and beetroot meatballs. I absolutely love this recipe, mainly because the kids love it as well, so I don't have to adapt it in any way for them. And it's nice and easy as well, so we are going to do those ones. Yeah, I've already done everything I need to do. Obviously refer to the recipe card if you want to have a little look at the method there, but we'll obviously show what's happening from now right the way through. But I have prepped everything, so I've done my beetroot already, and so I chop it up nice and finely, but then I give it a squeeze out with a cheesecloth just to get rid of any excess water. I say water, it's juice, but I then put that juice into a smoothie, which is always lovely. But as you can see, I've got pink hands, so I've already done that bit today, so we are literally ready to get started. This is one of my faves, as I said. I love lentils any which way anyway, and this is just a delicious recipe to do with the kids even. You can get them involved, they love cooking this one because it's nice and messy, rolling up the balls. So yes, I hope you enjoy it. Again, if you do try it, let me know. I'd love to hear how you get on. Yeah, let's get cooking. Meatballs all done. They look great. I can't wait to have those later. I'm actually going to have them for dinner tonight, so yay. A couple of tips about this recipe. Obviously the ingredients that we've put in there are quite wet, so the lentils, I take them out of a tin. I use tin lentils. They come out quite wet, so it's really important to try and get as much moisture out as you possibly can. Just pop them in a sieve and just push a spoon on them until you get enough water out. And also the same with the beetroot. Beetroot is quite a watery, juicy vegetable, so we want to get as much of that out as we possibly can before we try and make the balls. But those are my top tips really for making this one. I hope you enjoy it. Please do let me know when you've tried it, and obviously subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more of our amazing videos for low carb and vegetarian meals. I will see you in there. Have a good day.